Welcome everyone in our virtual annual function Indradhanush 2021. Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity as sunlight expels the darkness of might. Similarly, blessings bring in our life prosperity and happiness. To make this day a blessed one, let's invoke Goddess Saraswati by kindling the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. To commence the cultural fiesta Indradhanush 2021, I would like to call Dr. Shushma Mishra for shloka recitation.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषार हार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रामृता या वीणावर दण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करा प्रभृतिभिर्देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेषजाड्यापहा निशेषजाड्यापहा निशेषजाड्यापहा.
Hope is the thing that feathers and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. Hope knows no fear and dares to blossom even inside the abysmal abyss. Hope secretly feeds and strengthens promise. So true these words are. Hope made us realize that to be more alive, we need to be less afraid. So we all did. In these so tough times of pandemic, we lost our fears and gained a whole new life. We are on the edge of overcoming COVID-19 and 2020 has been a year of learning. Dear parents, on behalf of the whole KPS team, we are deeply appreciative and offer you our most grateful welcome to the virtual annual function 2021. We dedicate this annual function to the Revolution for New India, NEP, National Education Policy 2020, which goals to make youth future ready and focus on how to think and not on what to think. It's time to celebrate, dear parents, and rejoice not only our achievements but celebrate togetherness. We are in this together and will get through this together. We are deeply honored to welcome you all on this auspicious occasion, virtual annual function of Krishna Public School, Raipur. Within ourselves is the eternal voice speaking of eternal freedom. Its music is eternally going on. Our students are here to convey a beautiful message in a musical way with a welcome song. They will inspire us and touch our hearts for sure. gain strength, experience, and confidence by every experience and under the prompting of a brave, determined spirit. We believe in the all-round development of our students and are committed to impart the best in them. So here are our students unfolding the achievements of this session in our school annual report.
March 2020. As the novel coronavirus escalated into a global pandemic, schools all over the world made the difficult decision to shut their doors, forcing an abrupt and nearly universe shifted to distance learning that proved disruptive for teachers, students, and parents alike. The new normal in education is the increased use of online learning tools. The COVID-19 pandemic has triggered many ways of learning. All around the world, educational institutes, including Krishna Public School, are looking toward online learning platform to continue with the process of educating their students. The target was to start with upskilling and motivating Krishna Public School teachers for switching over online. Organizing counseling sessions for stakeholders such as teachers, parents, and students are some of the important measures taken by the Krishna Public School administration. But yes, Krishna Public School have managed to sail through such difficult situation to acquire the resources and upskilling their teachers to teach online. The new normal is now a transformed concept of education with the online learning as its
Today, digital learning has emerged as a necessary resource for students in schools in Krishna Public School, also like all over the world. For Krishna Public School, this is an entirely new way of education that they have had to adopt. Online learning in Krishna Public School is now applicable not just to learn academics, but it also extends to learning extracurricular activities for students as well. In recent months, the online learning has risen significantly and it will continue doing so in the future. Since online classes can be taken from home or location of choice, there are fewer chances of students missing out on lessons. We at Krishna Public School believe that education liberates the intellect, unlocks the imagination, and is fundamental for self-respect. A good learning environment eventually leads to responsible citizens, ensuring a brighter future of the world. Determination and perseverance are indispensable to each other, deciding the aspects of success. This gospel has once again been successfully established by the students of Krishna Public School, Raipur, through their exceptionally laudable feats. With this thought, we present to you the annual report, session 2020-21.
There's no magic to achievements. It's really about hard work, choices, and persistence.
Hard work that makes us improvise,
Choices which help us grow.
and persistence which keeps us determined towards our goal.
Our public school has always been gratified by the academic excellence of its students.
And we are beyond pleased to share it with you all.
10th and 12th results of this year has been proved to be absolutely commendable.
With 118 students scoring 90% and above in class 10th.
And 76 students scoring 90% and above in grade 12th.
The subject-wise toppers of grade 10th are as follows. In English, Ayushi Shukla scored 99 out of 100.
In science, Nandini Sharma and Sumit Barik scored 98 out of 100.
In Sanskrit, 22 students scored 100 out of 100. A huge round of applause for them.
In Hindi, Ayushi Shukla and Prerna Ninbane scored 99 out of 100.
In social science, Nandini Sharma, Akshat Kumar and Rajat Acharya scored 100 out of 100. Again, a huge round of applause for them all.
8 students with the exemplary performance scored 98 out of 100 in mathematics.
In information technology, 4 students scored 100 out of 100. Kudos to them.
Moving forward, we have the subject-wise toppers of grade 12th, and they are as follows.
In English, Shreya Mariam Thomas, Devashi Singh, Mitlai Ugre and Rishit Mohan Das scored 97 out of 100.
In mathematics, Rishit Mohan Das scored 99 out of 100.
In physics, we again have Rishit Mohan Das scoring 98 out of 100.
23 students were the top scorers in chemistry. A huge round of applause for them.
In biology, Devashi Singh, Mitlai Ugre, Lipakshi Sahu, Hiya Patre, Rushda Parveen, Seema Sinha and Shriyali Upadhyay were the top scorers.
In economics, Mansi Bhojwani scored 97 out of 100.
In business studies, Mansi Bhojwani and Neha Mulchandani scored 98 out of 100.
In accountancy, Mansi Bhojwani scored 99.
In history, Prerna Tamrakar and Gorja Aaron scored 98 out of 100. In psychology, Mansi Varvandkar scored 100 out of 100. Kudos! In legal studies, Archisha Madame was the top scorer, while in political science, again Prerna Tamrakar scored 97 out of 100.
In Kathak dance, Devashri Singh and Savya Gupta, both of them scored 100 out of 100.
In physical education, 8 students scored 100 out of 100. Kudos!
And for engineering graphics, we have Anjali Agrawal as the top scorer.
In painting, 6 students scored 100 out of 100. A huge round of applause for them.
In information practices, B. Adnan Akhtar was the top scorer.
In music, Anusha Pargania, Meghna Pati and Chinmay Agrawal scored 97 out of 100.
As the science stream toppers, firstly we have Rishit Mohan Das, then Devashri Singh, and 4 students back the 3rd position, and they are Rishi Nair, Mohit Kumar Jain, Prakriti De, and Rishta Banerjee.
The merit achievers of commerce stream are Mansi Bhojwani, Himanshi Gangwani, Khwahish Shablani, and Neha Mulchandani.
In humanities, we have Gorja Aaron with 1st position, Archisha Madame and Mansi Varvandkar holding the 2nd, and Prerna Tamrakar with the 3rd.
In IIT JEE Mains, we have 30 students who qualify.
In JEE Advanced, Ansh Ahuja, Ashmita Sharma, Devesh Kumar, Rishit Mohan Das, Hardik Kalwani, Mayank Sahu, Ritvik D. Das, Shubham Bande and Shubham Sahu with their eminent performance passed the examination.
33 students cracked the NEET examination as well. And 10 students with their exemplary performance qualified the common law admission test.
And Samad Singh with his commendable performance secured All India rank 63 in IELTS.
29 students in NCO and 27 students in NSO bagged the zonal top rank.
IMO, we have 24 students, and in IEO, 8 students who qualified and were rank holders.
In International Financial Olympiad, Himanshi Gangwani qualified for the regional round. A huge round of applause.
Moving further, in Green Olympiad, 17 students got the state ranking.
31 students qualified the NSTSC examinations.
Keeping the legacy of the seniors as the KVPY qualifiers, we have Deb Mukherjee, Anshul Verma and Vishakha Lilhare.
For National Anveshika Experimental Skills Test, as qualifier for Prelims 2020, we have Aditya Sagar Shukla.
And as ZCO qualifier, we have Siddharth Sinha.
In Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, 15 students qualified, and amidst them, Amey Kalkotwar was the district's topper and also got nominated for Guinness World Record and got selected for the state camp.
As Vigyan Paheli qualifiers for session 2019, firstly we have Arunava Chakravarti, Atharv Tol, Stuti Shivhare, Pranay Tiwari and Viraj Lilhare.
And for Panini Linguistic Olympiad as qualifier, we have Pratham Bagre. The NTSC qualifiers for session 2019 are Neeraj Bandhe, Atharv Tol and Akshat Kumar.
Now, moving from academic to non-academic achievements, the students of Krishna Public School have always kept their horizon wide, thought out of the box and explored all possibilities.
Moving forward with that, firstly we have the reading challenge by CBSE, in which Aditya Verma bagged the 1st position in Bhubaneswar region, Abhishek Banerjee 3rd, Ashutosh Singh Thakur 4th and Somil Pandagre 8th position.
In Korean essay, Harshita Chaudhary held the 12th rank in international level.
Shreya Devangan and Rishita Dubey won the national prize for Deshrak 2020, organized by Nrityajam Kala Samiti, and also contributed for the preservation of art and culture.
In National Milk Day Quiz Contest 2020 organized by Amul, Shreyansh Naidu achieved 14th rank in All India and Tanisha Chaudhary secured the 20th rank.
Tanisha Chaudhary made it to the semi-finals among the top 16 of India from 23,889 in Mrs. YGP Memorial Quiz. A huge round of applause for all the achievers. Thank you. And now we have the achievements of those without whom the future of a child cannot be imagined. The teachers.
Firstly, we have Miss Almas Hussain, who among 4,000 nominations, 1,400 institutions, 13 lakh votes and 52 lakh views, was selected among the top 7 teachers of India by Lovely Professional University.
Dr. Sandhya Rani Shukla was felicitated with appreciation letter and memento at the national webinar organized on 14 September Hindi Divas in the presence of the Vice President of India, Shri Venkaiah Naidu.
Miss Almas Hussain, Miss Lata Godeja, Miss Shikha Dikshit, Miss Neetu Singh Chauhan, Miss Amita Srivastav and Mr. V. Pavan Kumar were felicitated with Teachers' Day Award 2020 Chhattisgarh by the International Institute of Hotel Management, Hyderabad.
Ms. Arunima Nair, Ms. Harikanti Sao and Mr. Neeraj Sharma have achieved 100% in My NEP quiz organized by the Ministry of Education, India and have been made My NEP ambassadors for their valuable contribution. A huge round of applause.
Now further, we'd like to present to you the best practices of Krishna Public School.
Maybe there's a road ahead of it. Maybe there's a new world down the road. Walking forth is the only plight because we didn't come this far to come this far only. A heart filled with aspirations is all that we knew since the very existence of the school, and that's what gave us the ambition of marching forward till excellence is achieved in all our endeavors. The world is undergoing rapid changes in the knowledge landscape, and the education system in India has been waiting for an upgrade for a very long time. We are faced with immense opportunities to create simplified, dynamic and indigenous solutions to aid the education sector in our country. And the National Education Policy of 2020 provides the most suitable pathway to attain these objectives. It is the first education policy of 21st century which aims to address the many growing developmental imperatives of our country. And it also proposes the revision and revamping of all aspects of education structure, including its regulation and governance, to create a new system that is aligned with the aspirational goals of 21st century education, including SDG 4, while building upon India's traditions and value systems. The NEP lays particular emphasis on the development of creative potential of each individual. And in a nutshell, it envisions an India-centric education system that provides high-quality education to all, thereby transforming India from a sustainable to an equitable and vibrant knowledge society in the entire world.
The nationwide lockdown following the COVID-19 pandemic has led to a burst of activities with online education and has resulted in the schools shut all across the world. Education system has changed dramatically, and as a result, the virtual world has come to the rescue. Despite the lockdown, many schools have taken timely measures to continue the flow of education by holding online classes, and Krishna Public School is one of them. For the first time ever, the schools in India have moved to online classrooms, and it's a struggle for both the students as well as the teachers. Attending the online classes regularly has become the new normal for the students and has taken the center stage in their lives. For teachers, teaching in this atmosphere was not an easy task, but the teachers of Krishna Public School did not leave any stone unturned to make the study more interesting amidst this unfortunate situation. And it can undoubtedly be said that our teachers are the next level of COVID warriors, fighting for the nation and shaping the future of tomorrow. At KPS, the teachers and coordinators are regularly in contact with the students. They are constantly putting efforts to keep the study student-oriented by sending content, worksheets, video lessons and solved questions. Class-wise groups have also been created where the students can post their assignments and queries if any. A lot has been spoken about the need to attend and to cater to the character and value. Development of self, along with the academic achievements, forms the nuclei of all the learning processes at our school.
Assessment is an important aspect of education. They provide the indicators what the students are learning and how well they are learning. And that is why Krishna Public School has laid emphasis on conducting online assessments regularly. Students of KPS are allotted various assessments in their respective Google Classroom for providing a platform to enhance their creativity and also at the same time to assess themselves through efficient grading system. As we bid adieu to 2020, we are confident that we'll overcome the odds and pave our way for the betterment of education.
Krishna Public School is not a school where teaching is taken as a profession, but Krishna Public School is a school where teaching is taken as a passion. Therefore, teachers of Krishna Public School uses different kinds of teaching methods to include each and every student in the learning experience. And those methods are art integrated learning, experiential learning, and competency based learning. Art integrated learning is a framework of experiential learning which provides an equitable learning environment for all learners through their own access points. Students engage in art activities and construct personal meaning through their learning in an art integrated environment. Art experiences, both in visual, drawing and painting, clay modeling, paper craft, mask and puppet making, heritage crafts, etc., and performing arts, music, dance, theatre, puppetry, etc. And this leads to a better understanding and construction of knowledge about different concepts. Experiential learning is the process of learning through experience and is more specifically defined as learning through reflection on doing. Hands-on learning can be a form of experiential learning. And recently, Krishna Public School organized a youth parliament in which every student who took part in it got a portfolio of different political leaders and they got to know how the Parliament of India functions. Competency-based learning or competency-based education is a framework for teaching and assessment of learning. It is also described as a type of education based on predetermined competencies, which focuses on outcomes and real world performance. Examples of competencies are teamwork, responsibility, commercial awareness, decision making, communication, leadership, trustworthiness, and ethics. And this is how Krishna Public School is imparting quality education. Thank you.
One piece of log creates a fire, educate enough to warm up. Add just a few more pieces to blast an immense bonfire, large enough to warm your entire circle of friends. Needless to say that individuality counts, but teamwork dynamites. Krishna Public School strongly believes that it's not only about the ideas, but it's about making the ideas happen. With this motive, it has excelled in the arena of best practices, thereby providing the students all possible opportunities for their overall progress and a platform for them to explore and harness their skills, even during the times of pandemic.
Leadership and learning are the two sides of the same coin. Leaders aren't born, they are made, and they are made just like anything else, through hard work. The Student Council is an essential part of the school, serving as a bridge between the students and the administration. And Krishna Public School is gratified to inform that even in this critical situation, there were online interviews for the council, and the Student Council of Session 2020-21 was elected in the same way. Many webinars were held by the KPS students, creating awareness regarding the COVID-19 pandemic and maintaining mental health for not only the students but also their parents. Wide-ranging activities and competitions were also held for the students and gave them opportunity to learn the value of teamwork, individual and group responsibility, and also to get a sense of culture and community. Plenty of quizzes were also conducted for the students to develop their general knowledge and intellectuality. Life skills were developed among the students through the promotion of the club activities. These clubs include Science Club, Sports Club, Maths Club, Dramatics Club, Cultural Club, and many more. The students of KPS were also trained in different vocations, and activities were arranged for them throughout the session.
It cannot be argued upon the fact that parents are one of the important stakeholders in education, and therefore their valuable feedback regarding online classes, study material, and subject enrichment was taken. And it was a matter of immense pride and pleasure for Krishna Public School to receive such a positive response from parents who appreciated the collective efforts being put up by the school. Regular PTMs were held for all the classes where parents were made aware of their ward's performance in exams so that students will be able to hone their skills, cope up with the challenges, and get the desired outcome with parental guidance and support. The achievement of the school is the result of combined effort of each individual, and it is rightly said that coming together is the beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is success.
Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Keeping this in mind, KPS kept learning, teaching, and achieving even in this tough time. Even when times aren't in our favor, we have found ways to make learning and educating enjoyable with events and celebrations. It is said that the more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. So, to boost the moral and uplift the spirit of the students in this tough time, we have conducted activities, events, workshops, and competitions related to art, music, dance, yoga, and much more. Around 400 virtual workshops were conducted for parents, teachers, and students with active participation on the topics like creative writing and financial education. Around 100 virtual competitions were conducted for primary, secondary, and senior classes.
Marcus Garvey said that a people without the knowledge of their past, history, origin, and culture is like a tree without its roots. Hence, to educate ourselves more on the topic of heritage, various activities like Heritage Webinar, Independence Day celebrations, Gandhi Jayanti, Diwali, Dashera, Janmashtami celebrations, and Audiovisual Heritage Day assemblies were held. Our school did not stop then and there when the pandemic or the lockdown had started. Even after being disconnected from the offline world, we connected with each other online through various events like Teachers' Day celebrations, Fit India, Youth Parliament, CBSE trainings, and special assemblies. Various club activities like miniature art paintings, folk art by Art Club, ideation app development module by ATL Club, slogan making and vertical garden making by Eco Club, etc. were also organized. The children of today are gearing up to become adult citizens of tomorrow. The growth is parallel to the future of our country, which is reflected through the present education system. With this vision, KPS develops the students academically as well as non-academically.
With over 100 selection in various national entrance examinations to around 200 students excelling in cultural events both at national and international level, the students of Krishna Public School have proved their excellence in every arena. We have 194 students securing 90% and above in class 10th and 12th. Also, we are proud to have a council of 98 students including 19 clubs that organize 50 events online in which over 1000 students participated. This year, our school assembly reflected the theme of online learning with an emphasis on quality education. In addition, the exclusive assemblies, over 10 newsletters were made and circulated online by our students.
For enhancing the oratory skills of students, the school organized 3 MUN with over 500 participants, and all this was possible because of the unfaltering support of our teachers, parents, management, students and alumni who dedicated their time to the school so that we become who we are today. Strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from an indomitable will. We fail, we fall, we break, but then we rise, we heal, we overcome. With this positivity and hope imbibed in our hearts, we take your leave and wish you an eventful evening.
Is always possible for the person who refuses to stop fighting. A leader with extraordinary determination, bestowed with coveted CBSE Teacher Award for her optimum contribution in academic sphere. Ma'am indeed is a trailblazer and has motivated us all with her path-breaking achievements. I take the privilege to invite Honorable Mrs. Priyanka Tripathi, Principal, Krishna Public School, Raipur, for the welcome speech.
Hello everyone. I thank you all for being here today with us. We are really glad and proud to conduct our annual function even in this pandemic. Our enthusiasm never fades away when we have support of our students and their supportive parents. Last year taught us so many ways to live life on its fullest form and cherish each and every moment. We are grateful to God for providing strength in these hard times and letting us to live to see these beautiful days of life. We as teachers are influencers and motivation boosters. Creation and chaos both play on our lap. That's why utilizing our full potential to mold a better future is an essential part. Our students are our strength and hope for tomorrow. Although life pace paused a little bit due to COVID-19, but our journey remains the same and our thrust to achieve something more is still remains the same. Our teachers as well as students both got this opportunity to become better version of themselves. Necessity is the mother of invention, means without need there cannot be invention, and that's exact thing this pandemic taught us. When school gates closed for all of us, then digital space, cyberspace fulfilled that gap between teachers and students. We tried every possible way to keep up the curriculum education for our students going on. We use an applied method to teach them life skills. Being a master in life skills also helps in develop a child better mentally, socially and emotionally. We found infinite possibilities to improve our children in other fields and through other windows as well. God never makes a lock without its key. That's why we just have to look through other perspectives to find solutions. Solutions can be hidden, so never give up for what you believe. At last, I would like to thank each and everyone, those who are present here to attend this annual function and to be with us in this pandemic crisis. Without all your support, this successful journey through pandemic storm was not possible. Thank you once again and wishing you a very happy new year 2021.
Thank you, ma'am, for your so wonderful words of wisdom. We are really blessed to have you as our mentor and guide.
With the implementation of newly launched National Education Policy 2020, India is on verge of becoming global knowledge power. One of the aims of NEP is to improve gross enrollment ratio. Government has set a target of achieving 50% GER by adding 3.5 crore new seats in Higher Education Institute of India by 2035. गणेश की ज्योति से नूर मिलता है, सबके दिलों को सुरूर मिलता है, जो भी जाता है गणेश के द्वार कुछ न कुछ जरूर मिलता है. Now I would like to invite students to perform a Ganesh Vandana.
Ganapati takatini takatunu takatini takatunu takatini takatunu Ganapati takatini takatunu takatini takatini takatunu Ganapati takatini takatunu takatini takatunu Dini takatunu takatini takatunu Ganapati 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 Dit Dit Tom Dit 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 Tak 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 Tom Ding Nam Uttak Dittak Dinnak Tunga Takkudatam Tunga Tangukku Dik Tam Uttak Dittak Dinnak Tunga Takkudatam Tunga Tangi Ganapati Tam Takkitak Tam Takkitak Kuntari Dikkitak Badi Maru Gane Vidya Vinayaka Vinay Kadal Adu Liga Ganapati Jaya Jaya Vitta Utta Rakatan Dinam Vitta Utta Rakatan Jaya Jaya Kadi Krituri Kaya Nemo Kabar Tung Kita tungu taka de vargal ganapati taka tunga ganapati kavu tam kavar minne yatta ukkudu tam ukkudu de ta tude koda kitta tunga taka dung tangi taka de tam
हर मुसीबत का सामना डट कर पाओगे अगर उनसे लड़ने का जुनून तुम दिखाओगे। एक जुनून है, एक प्यास है अपने सपनों के लिए। And NEP is aimed at preparing the students for this. The aim is to increase the gross enrollment ratio in higher education, vocational education from 26.3% to 50% by 2035. हमारे इन्हीं कुछ सपनों को साकार करने में KPS निरंतर प्रयासरत रहा है। KPS गुरूर है हमारा, KPS जुनून है हमारा। इन्हीं कुछ शब्दों को संगीत के माध्यम से अपनी सुंदर और सुरीली आवाज में प्रस्तुत करने आ रहे हैं हमारे KPS के कुछ बच्चे।
नन्हे आँखों में हमारे भी अब अनेक आशाएं कि अब तो आसमां को भी छू लेंगे जो तेरा साथ हो। जीतेंगे हर एक मुकाबला कितना भी मुश्किल हो, ये काफिला तेरे दम से ही लाएंगे अंधेरों में रोशनी। KPS गुरूर है हमारा, KPS है हौसला, KPS स्कूल ये हमारा उम्मीदों से भरा। KPS गुरूर है हमारा, KPS है हौसला, KPS स्कूल ये हमारा उम्मीदों से भरा।
Tabla is one of the percussion instruments of North India, mainly used in Indian classical music. A myriad of sound can be produced by the instrument by doing slight changes in it. It consists of two sealed membraphones and one of the tabla. The ayn is played with right hand and tuned to a higher pitch. The other one, metal shell bain, is played with left hand. Tabla has a data set of 128 isolated strokes with 8 basic balls, ghe, ke, ta, tin, tun, ti, re and tak. Tabla was invented by Amir Khusro Dehwali in 18th century, and tabla is really very interesting. And I, Akshat Raj Gupta of class 8th, also like tabla because it's the pride of Indian classical music. So here is Aditya Kun of class 8C to give a glimpse of tabla.
Thank you.
तमन्ना, सपने और ख्वाहिशें. Ambitions, hopes, dreams and desire. The desire to reach for the star is ambition. But have you ever imagined your life without it? Intelligence without desire is just like a bird without wings. To let the tree of your ambition grow, you need to water it with hard work, with patience, with efforts and with sacrifices. And protect it from all the problems. But at last, it all pays off and you get sweet fruits in your hands. Have you ever imagined the day when you actually reach there? Your ambition, your destination. ख्वाहिश, तमन्ना, महत्वाकांक्षा और चाहतों के सूर्य को उदय होता देखना वाकई कितना कमाल होगा. उन किरणों को महसूस करना वाकई कितना कमाल होगा. तो आइए आज आप और मैं हम सब इस कमाल के लम्हे को महसूस करने के लिए चलते हैं with an ambitious performance on the song एक जिंदगी.
My name is Jalak Manchani and I want to be an actress.
My name is Chaitanya Tripathi. My aim is businesswoman.
Myself Anya Chakrabarti. I want to become a politician.
Hi, I'm Shlok and I want to be IPS officer.
मैं तो बादलों से दूर जाऊंगी, मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी. है जो क्रेजी क्रेजी सपने मेरे सारे चुन के मैं पुन आऊंगी. हमारा ऐसे दुनिया की हुई नहीं, मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बनाऊंगी. कि जिंदगी मेरी
what cannot be expressed. Music soothes the mind and gives it rest. Music heals the heart and make it whole. Music flows from heaven to the soul. Western music connects humanity through time. And talking about Western music instruments, the most significant instrument is violin. Violin is an Italian instrument which represents cold, sadness, sympathy and joy. And now, I, Garima Pinjani, would like to call Akshat Prem Singh for a wonderful violin performance.
It will require sacrifice. It will require diligence. But it's a promise. When you reach your goal, it's really worth it. A big hand to the super achievers who attained excellence in academics through their dedicated efforts and perseverance. The super achievers of class 6 are Anya Trivedi, Ayushi Singh, Aditya Singh, Akshat Bajpai, Anshika Singh, Anup Narayan Satpathy, Anushka Viswas, Anvesha Mahindra, Ashindra Pathak, Ashish Kumar Ranjan, Atharv Sharma, Aviral Mishra, Bhumika Churasma, CH Sai Harsha, Chinmay Barua, Damanpreet Singh, Garima Tandon, Gaurav Gangwani, Gurdeep Wadhwa, Harshit Kumar Sahu, Ishita Nath, Kanak Godeja, Kavya Yadav, Lakshmi Singh, Madhav Taparia, Manan Sethia, Mayank Datta, Mayank Pati, Mitanshi Chandrakar, Mitul Verma, Mrunali Kurekar, Naman Sharma, Neev Lalwani, Nishant Upadhyay, Pari Vaswani, Piyush Sahu, Preet Dhaliwal, Priyanshu Sarkar, Rajvi Kothari, Redlam Toshmika Naidu, Riddhi Anand, Riddhi Sahu, Rohan Kumar Sinha, Seher Khetpal, Sajal Dansena, Sanskriti Chauhan, Sanyam Devangan, Sarthak Mishra, Soumya Kashyap, Shailja Tiwari, Shambhavi Vishwakarma, Shashwat Verma, Shivani Raj, Sirish Gautam, Shubhendu Mehta, Shubhi Agrawal, Snehil Mishra, Sonakshi Singh, Soumya Nashine, Swati Singh, Tanisha Chaudhary, Vanisha Soni, Vedansh Shatri, Yug Jain. A big hand for the super achievers of class 6th. To continue further, super achievers of class 7th, Arushi Maurya, Ashna Gupta, Annie Sharma, Aishwarya Bharti, Akshat Goyal, Aman Singh Dadsena, Animesh Kumar Deherwal, Anirudh Pandey, Anushka Chandrakar, Arpit Malu, Arundhati Dubey, Ayushi Sahu, Kshitij Barya, Devika Dey, Deepti Madhukar, Ekansh Nandan Sharma, Gagan Arora, Harshal Gupta, Hiya Khatri, Ritika Keshirwani, Jay Agrawal, Kalishka Srivastav, Krishna Narayan Panda, Mehak Gyanchandani, Mayank Kumar Sahu, Monish Pawar, Muskan Meher, Naina Singh, Nayandeep Khurana, Pahuni Oswal, Pakhi Agrawal, Pakhi Nayak, Pandav Rakhriya, Parth Singhania, Pragya Chaudhary, Praket Thakur, Prithvi Rathor, Priyanka Surana, Risa Das, Rishika Agrawal, Rishita Singh, Ronit Hirwani, Samriddhi Sharma, Sanya Singh, Sanket Chandrakar, Shilpi Chandrakar, Shriyansh Shandilya, Srishti Chandrakar, Shruti Tiwari, Shuchi Banchor, Sweta Sharma, Sinel Kumar Keshwani, Soumya Keshirwani, Srishant Kumar Maurana, Suyash Mishra, Tanisha Agrawal, Tanishk Hanumanta, Tanishka Vaishnav, Vaishvi Nikhare, Vansh Chandrakar, Vanshika Chauhan, Vedant Tripathi, Yajna Mishra, Yashri Bagh. Congratulations to all the super achievers.
Continuing further with the super achievers of class 8th 2019-20, Adish Jain, Anya Patel, Arohi Sahu, Astha Avasthi, Aditya Sarkar, Akshay Tripathi, Akshita Tiwari, Ananya Agarwal, Ananya Dubey, Ananya Manoj Pillai, Ananya Patel, आर्यन पाठक, अभिषेक बैनर्जी, आयुष नाशा, आयुष्मान शर्मा, भानवी नेताम, भूमिका खटवानी, भूमिका कुकरेजा, चैतन्य गुलेचा, दर्शन जैन, देवदत्त दत्ता, दीक्षा पटेल, दिव्यांशी मोहंती, दिव्यांशी साहू, दिव्यांशु सिंह, हर्ष बठेजा, हर्षित हिशिकर, हर्षित सेठिया, ईशान स्वामी, जानवी सैनी, जिया जायसवाल, कनिष्का गर्ग, केशव कुमार रामुका, कीर्ति ताम्रकार, लीशा पटेल, लोकाव्य पटेल, मधु मखीजा, मानस पुष्पकर, मोहित कुमार वर्मा, ओजस्वी श्रीवास्तव, ओम अग्रवाल, पार्थ जैन, पूर्वांश जैन, प्रज्वल पांडे, प्रथम बागरी, आर्नव निधि, ऋषिका पाठक, ऋषिता पटनायक, रोहित चंद्राकर, रौनित कुमार, साहिना सुप्रिया, साक्षी भाटिया, समृद्धि शुक्ला, सान्या चिमनानी, सान्या मिश्रा, शिवम सिन्हा, श्रेयांश नायडू, श्रेया गुप्ता, श्रेयांश साहू, शुभ सिंह राजपूत, शुभम सोनी, शुभांगी केशरवानी, शुभांकर सिन्हा, स्नेहा सुनयना पलाए, स्नेहिल होता, सौमिल पंडगरे, सोफिया एस मथाई, सौम्या वाधवा, सृष्टि वासवानी, स्वीटी कान्या, तमन्ना छत्रे, तान्या रॉबी, तन्मय साहू, ताशी माझी, टिया मित्तल, तोशी नायक, ट्विंकल ब्राह्मे, उर्वशी कोचर, उत्कर्ष देवांगन, वैभव लिलहरे, वत्सल मिश्रा, विख्यात गोमास्ता, and Yukti Gangwani. A huge round of applause for all the super achievers.
Knowledge is power. Information is liberating. Education is the premise of progress in every society, in every family. As India is surging to be a powerful country, the National Policy of Education 1986 has also been replaced in the National Policy of Education 2020, which is progressive in its outlook with an emphasis of multidisciplinary education. To celebrate this momentous change in the field of education, please put your hands together for the graceful dancers to showcase a mesmerizing performance, Pushpanjali.
tam 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 kida daga todanga takutta dhin 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 kida daga todanga takutta tam 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 kida daga todanga takutta dhin 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 kida daga todanga takutta tam 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 kida daga todanga takutta dhin 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 kida daga todanga takutta tam 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 kida daga todanga takutta dhin 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 kida daga todanga takutta tam 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 kida daga todanga takutta dhin 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 kida daga todanga takutta tam 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 kida daga todanga takutta dhin 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 kida daga todanga takutta tam 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 kida daga todanga takutta tatodagata tam 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 dhin 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 daga todanga takutta tatodagata tam 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 dhin 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 daga todanga takutta
leaders don't create followers, they create more leaders. We are privileged and blessed to be under such leadership. We are revered to have the brilliant mentor, a great motivator. With his influential and treasured words, motivates and guides everyone. He is the role model for all of us, the charismatic, legendary persona who connects with everyone instantaneously. He is Mr. Ashutosh, the Executive Director of Krishna Public School, Raipur region. Sir, may I have the privilege to welcome you for your prolific words of wisdom.
Hello, dear parents, teachers and students, because I know everyone who is watching out there is one or all of the three. Welcome you all in this virtual celebration of the annual fiesta of Krishna Public School. These are different times. I'm not saying difficult times, I'm saying they are different times. The 2020 pandemic has taught us that life will not remain as we plan it to be. But what it has also taught us that we can quickly adapt to whatever comes our way. And the best example is our teachers, who have been adapting to this new way of learning in a beautiful way. They have made us look at learning with a very different lens. And students also have utilized this time and showed us all that a lot can be done on their own, how they are responsible for their own learning. And the parents have told us that we are equally responsible for the learning of our kids. And that's why we have created a very, very powerful learning environment in this 2020. I thank each one of you to have stood together for the greater good. May I take this opportunity also to share with you that something that is good that we have learned should not go waste. And therefore, as the time progresses and as 2021 has come our way, we are not going to leave the good things that we have learned from 2020. The learning, the assessment, the teaching through technology is now an inevitable way, irremovable, 100% integrated in the process of teaching learning now. And you shall find this hybrid learning very, very regularly now in the schooling system of Krishna Public School. I know that there has been a hit on the socio-emotional learning, and I can't be more agreeing to the fact that it cannot happen until unless my students start physically meeting their friends and their teachers in person inside the school campus. The school campus waits to get a buzz with these socio-emotional learning, which shall happen the moment the schools start, and I'm hoping that will be very soon. But the hybrid learning through academics will also continue to be, and this is what I see the new normal as. My dear parents, today is the day to celebrate the accomplishments of those who have done great in the previous session and have also achieved a lot during these pandemic times by participating in various virtual competitions inside the school, which we are not identifying today, but also outside the school, which will be acknowledged in today's function. So, wishing you all a very good luck, and before I close my address, basically to motivate, you can say, or to tell what exactly happened throughout the last 1 year. For my teachers and for my students, I wanted to recite a poem. बड़ी फेमस पोएम है, बड़ी बच्चों सी पोएम है, मैंने बचपन में पढ़ी थी अपने स्कूल में, और मैंने सोचा ये इस समय के लिए बड़ी ही मुफीद है। और द्वारका प्रसाद माहेश्वरी की पोयम के साथ, इस कविता के साथ मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम देना चाहूँगा कि वीर तुम बढ़े चलो, धीर तुम बढ़े चलो, हाथ में ध्वजा रहे, बाल दल सजा रहे। और यह सिर्फ बाल दल बच्चों का ही नहीं, मैं तो उन टीचर्स को भी बाल दल कहता हूँ क्योंकि वो उस लर्निंग मोड में थे। मैं आप पेरेंट्स को भी बाल दल कहता हूँ क्योंकि आप भी उस अमेजिंग इंक्विजिटिव बालक की तरह सीखना चाह रहे थे। तो हाथ में ध्वजा रहे, बाल दल सजा रहे, ध्वज कभी झुके नहीं, दल कभी रुके नहीं, वीर तुम बढ़े चलो, धीर तुम बढ़े चलो। सामने पहाड़ हो, ये कोविड-19 का पहाड़ हो, चाहे सिंह की दहाड़ हो, दल कभी रुके नहीं। हे निडर डरो नहीं, तुम निडर डटो वहीं, वीर तुम बढ़े चलो, धीर तुम बढ़े चलो। प्रात हो कि रात हो, संग हो न साथ हो, सूर्य से बढ़े चलो, चंद्र से बढ़े चलो, वीर तुम बढ़े चलो, धीर तुम बढ़े चलो। और अंत में अन्न भूमि में धरा, वारी भूमि में भरा, अन्न भूमि में धरा, वारी भूमि में धरा, यत्न कर निकाल लो, रत्न भर निकाल लो, वीर तुम बढ़े चलो, धीर तुम बढ़े चलो। कोई भी रत्न हो, किसी भी भूमि के अंदर छुपा हुआ हो, मैं जानता हूं कि आप सभी उसे अपने यत्न से निकाल लेंगे और रत्न भर निकाल लेंगे। इन्हीं आकांक्षाओं के साथ और इन्हीं शुभकामनाओं के साथ आप सभी को नववर्ष की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं और आप सभी के लिए एक स्वस्थ 2021 स्वस्थ और समृद्धि और सफलता और स्वास्थ्य लेकर आए, ऐसी ही मेरी शुभकामनाएं हैं। धन्यवाद और आप अपना यह वर्चुअल एनुअल फंक्शन एंजॉय करते रहें। हैव अ नाइस टाइम, गुड बाय, टेक केयर।
Thank you very much, sir, for enlightening us with your words of motivation.
We all have heard about the new education policy 2020. In this policy, 10+2 structure of school curriculum is being replaced by 5+3+3+4 curriculum structure. I hope NEP 2020 will be very beneficial for us. We hope NEP 20 will bring a new sunshine in our life just like music. So now, some of my friends are going to dedicate a very beautiful song in order to show our gratitude to the government for launching NEP 2020.
It's the time to make the nation more shine. It's the time, it's the time, it's the time to make the nation more shine. With the school, more joyful, with the school, more joyful. NEP 20 in our life will bring a new sunshine. It's the time to make the nation more shine. With the school, more joyful, with the school, more joyful. NEP 20 in our life will bring a new sunshine. NEP 20 in our life will bring a new sunshine.
Some people dream of success while other people get up every morning and make it happen. The special achievers of 2019-20 are Class 6th NCO achievers Manan Sethia, Zonal Rank 6, Atharv Sharma, Zonal Rank 16, Tanisha Chaudhary, Zonal Rank 17, Aryan Gupta, Zonal Rank 21. NSO achievers of 2019-20 are Atharv Sharma, Zonal Rank 6, Manan Sethia, Zonal Rank 9, Tanisha Chaudhary, Zonal Rank 18. IMO achievers 2019 are Atharv Sharma, Zonal Rank 13, Ishita Nath, Zonal Rank 19, Mayank Pati, Zonal Rank 24. IEO achievers Aditya Singh, Zonal Rank 5, Tanisha Chaudhary, Zonal Rank 9th, Green Olympiad achievers Aditya Singh, zonal rank 41, Manan Sethia, zonal rank 5. NSTSE achievers Mayank Pati, Arjun Chaturvedi, Atharv Sharma. VVM qualifier Amey Kalkotkar, he is the district topper. Altogether 15 students are qualified for VVM camp, state level camp.
Standard 7th NCO achievers session 2019-2020 are Harshal Gupta, zonal rank 25, Tanisha Agarwal, zonal rank 15. NSO achievers session 2019-2020 are Arundhati Dubey, zonal rank 16, Praket Thakur, zonal rank 11, Vedant Tripathi, zonal rank 13, Tanish Hanumanta, zonal rank 17. Next we have is IMO achievers and the students are Akshat Goyal, zonal rank 17, Praket Thakur, zonal rank 4, Animesh Kumar, zonal rank 18, Ronit Hirwani, zonal rank 11. Next we have is IO achiever and he is Akshat Goyal and zonal rank 17. NST SE qualifiers are Akshat Goyal, Praket Thakur, Harshal Sinha. VVM camp qualifiers are Mayank Pati, Chinmay Agarwal and Aditya Singh.
The super achievers of class 8 NCO are Pratham Bagri, zonal rank 3, Utkarsh Devangan, zonal rank 16. NSO achiever Utkarsh Devangan, zonal rank 21. Keshav Kumar Ramuka, zonal rank 21. Lisha Patel, zonal rank 6. IMO achievers Harshal Gupta, zonal rank 21. Bhagyan Sahu, zonal rank 15. Keshav Kumar Ramuka, zonal topper. Kanishka Garg, zonal rank 15. Class 8 IMO achievers Pratham Bagri, zonal rank 4. Shreyansh Naidu, zonal rank 4. IO Achiever 2019-20 is Utkarsh Devangan. He is the zonal topper. Green Olympiad Achievers Shubhankar Sinha, zonal rank 11. Shanu Verma, zonal rank 26. Abhishek Banerjee, zonal rank 26. Jia Jaiswal, zonal rank 26. NST SC Achievers 2019-20 are Bhagyan Sahu, Utkarsh Devangan and Pratham Bagri. VVM camp qualifiers Pragya Chaudhary and Harshal Gupta. Teachers encourage minds to think, hands to create and hearts to love. The teachers who love teaching teach, children love learning. We have such mentors amongst us today. The teachers and staff members who have completed their 10 years of service in Krishna Public School, Raipur are going to be felicitated this year by the management of KPS. I hereby read the names of the teachers. First in the row is Mrs. Ishita Rao, followed by Mr. Jagtar Singh Bhamra, Surya Kumar Vishwakarma, Urvashi Thakur, Mrs. Amita Srivastava, Mrs. Ritu Domne, Mr. K. Balaji, Mr. Chetan Makhija, Mrs. Lata Godeja, Mr. Vinay Dikshit, Mr. Sanjay Tripathi, Mr. Ashish Tiwari, Mr. Pradeep Shukla. Congratulations, dear teachers.
Hindustani classical music is a classical music of the northern regions of the Indian subcontinent called Shastriya Sangeet. Desh or Des is a Hindustani classical music rag which belongs to the Khamar style. This rag is very similar to Rag Khamaj. Many ghazals and thurmis are based on this rag. So now we would like to invite some of our mates to perform a beautiful vocalization on this extraordinary rag.
राम भजन में वो सुख नहीं अमेरी में. Kabir once said, "There is eternal bliss in life's simple pleasure. One doesn't need to be rich or wealthy to appreciate the modest yet magical moments in life. You require the ability to acknowledge genuine moments filled with ecstasy." Presenting you with a phenomenal performance inspired by both Kabir's life and poetry, Fakiri, which is about letting go.
इंसान के रहीम राम के आगे, ईश्वर के हर नाम के आगे, भक्तों के काफिर के आगे, शून्य प्रथम आखिर के आगे. हो खड़ा रे कबीर पहने अपनी गरीबी, सीना ठोके झाड़ता है अपनी फकीरी. दुनिया का भय नहीं बोले सच्ची बोली रे, छीने का क्या कोई उससे खाली उसकी झोली रे. बड़ी ताकत है गरीबी में.
जो सुख पायो राम भजन हमें, जो सुख पायो राम भजन हमें, जो सुख पायो राम भजन हमें. वो सुख नाही अमीरी में, हो सुख नाही अमीरी में. मन लग मेरो याद गरीबी में, मन लग मेरो याद फकीरी
Some say I'm a saint, some say I'm a light, some say I'm a way. Form is for the novice, names they are for fools. Look everywhere, but you'll never find me, 'cause I was always
गरीबी में मन रब मेरो यार फकीरी में मन रब मेरो यार गरीबी में मन रब मेरो यार फकीरी में मन रब मेरो यार गरीबी में मन रब मेरो यार फकीरी में.
Do not follow where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. These quotes of Harold R. McAlindon are absolutely befitting our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Rajat Moona, Director, IIT Bhilai. Dr. Rajat Moona is the Director of Indian Institute of Technology Bhilai. He was also a Professor of Computer Science and Engineering at IIT Kanpur and Director General of Center for Development of Advanced Computing. He completed his BTech in Electrical Engineering from IIT Kanpur. He earned his doctoral degree from the Department of Computer Science and Automation at Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. He joined at IIT Kanpur as a faculty member in 1991. Between 1994 to 95, he was a visiting scientist at the Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory, Mascot's Institute of Technology. He was awarded with Indo-US Science and Technology Fellowship, Poonam and Prabhu Goyal Chair Professorship, VASVIK Industrial Research Award in Information and Communication Technology, National Award for Best Electoral Practices, Election Commission of India. Sir, may I have the privilege to welcome you for your prolific words.
Friends, I am very happy to be part of annual day of Krishna Public School. Unfortunately, due to my other engagements, I could not be physically present, but as COVID pandemic has taught us, virtual meetings are probably the substitute for physical meetings, and they have been doing exceptionally well. This year, entire education programs in the country have suffered a major setback. Almost all schools, colleges, and organizations like IITs had to shut down their education programs in physical form. But this particular challenge was taken up very well by entire education community. Online classes, online exams, online evaluations ensured that education does not stop but moves on. And that has helped a lot in terms of not stopping the education and letting the students move in their academic careers. This particular time, I am very happy to see that Krishna Public School is organizing the annual function, and this is a start of a belief to say that no matter what, we will not stop and we will continue. To all my students here, I would like to say that taking up challenges, taking up issues so that things don't come to a grinding halt is a major achievement. At IIT Bhilai, we do expect many of you would probably come back and do your higher education at IIT Bhilai. This is also the time of technology. Online education, online meetings, online programs, online evaluations, online everything actually does not come without technology intervention. In some sense, technology interventions have brought in a major moving forward in the country, and it has actually helped progressing at a much faster pace than what one would have actually imagined without COVID-19 situation. So, going forward, I think this is the time for technology, this is the time for information technology, internet technologies, and such kind of things to move forward. We look forward to students coming up with ideas such that the offline world is completely substituted by online world, and it remains safe, secure, and efficient. All of you at some point in time would be looking at these problems, and I am sure your ideas will actually shape the future of technology. In fact, we have been talking of vaccination. Vaccination is now in full swing in the country, and probably this is the start of the end of COVID-19. But then to talk about a little bit on vaccination, the vaccination itself has been propelled very fast. Normally it takes about 6 to 7 years to develop a vaccine. This particular time it has been close to less than a year, and therefore it's a major remarkable achievement, and it has been possible largely because of technology interventions. Data from various trials could be compiled much faster, which otherwise would have required manual compilation, manual reporting, and subsequently looking at the data. Now, this itself reduces the time for vaccine trials by a major factor. In addition to this, computer simulations for vaccines, computer simulations for DNA, RNA, and other biological molecules, and the corresponding vaccine proteins actually have propelled our knowledge as well as trials and efficacy analysis of vaccines. While there have been many such diseases for which vaccines are still not available, COVID-19 turned out to be lot simpler to be evolved as a vaccine, and technologically many interventions could be tried out. Not only India, several other countries in the world have initiated their vaccine programs, and at the same time we have been looking at how do we actually get large amount of population, to be exact about 700 crore of people to be vaccinated. This is a grand challenge, and these numbers cannot be managed without technology intervention, without computerization, and without computer-based tracking. So many of you would probably be going forward and looking at challenges of these in time to come, possibly coming up with solutions, and I wish all of you to be a successful entrepreneur, successful technocrat, and achieve success in your life and do good for the country. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for enlightening us with your words of motivation.
Semi-classical dance is sustained by a profound philosophy. Form seeks to merge with the formless. Motion seeks to become a part of the motionless. And the dancing individual seeks to become one with the eternal dance of the cosmos. Because of which, in July 2020, the Union Cabinet has approved music, art and literature subjects in all the higher institutes of India through the new education policy. Now, let all of us derive and adore the centuries-old, traditional, energetic and the timeless piece of dance by the students of Krishna Public School.
जमुना तीरे रे बाटम दे गुहायरी जमुना तीरे रे बरसाना और नंदगांव के बीच की दूरी हायरी जमुना तीरे रे ओए बरसाना और नंदगांव के बीच की दूरी हायरी जमुना तीरे रे
फागुन आयो फागुन मोहे भायरी कदम वृक्ष पे हायरी कोयल कुकत जाए रे मोरी राधे मोरी राधे पनगट पूछे जन जन पूछे जाए रे बिसर गई क्या हायरी भूल गई क्या मोहे मोरी राधे मोरी राधे
फागुन बरसों रंग छायो
से पूछे के राधा बिन होरी कैसी री पीहू पीहू गाए पपीहा और मोहे सुने पीर हरी और ठुमक ठुमक सब नाचे है हर्ष का उत्सवरी भाग मुर्गागे जो तोरी सूरत चमकी
ओ धूम मचायो रंग रचायो पुलकित हो गयो शामरी कदम वृक्ष पे हायरी कोयल कुकत जायरी मोरी राधे मोरी राधे पनगट पूछे जन जन पूछे जायरी बिसर गई क्या हायरी भूल गई क्या मोहे मोरी राधे मोरी राधे.
Now I invite our school's head boy and head girl for the vote of thanks.
The best and beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt by heart. Thank you is one such prayer among them. I consider it a great privilege to propose a vote of thanks to all the dignitaries who have witnessed it as a memorable and successful event. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the entire fraternity of KPS Raipur. Chairman sir, Executive sir, Director sir and Principal ma'am for their immense support and words of wisdom which radiated a source of energy within us. We will ever remain grateful to all of you. We are profoundly grateful to all our teachers who are our second parents who always stand by us, guide us, led us and motivated us. We feel proud and thank you for making us feel happy with your presence at this function.
I would like to acknowledge the untiring efforts of the music faculty, dance teachers and the entire IT department for making this first virtual annual function a successful one. I would also like to thank the participants, parents and all those who are watching us streaming live. Thank you very much. Have a happy 2021. Stay home, stay safe, keep taking precautions. Thank you.
Today's celebration has come to an end and we look forward to a new and fresh beginning of a new year. We thank everyone from the core of our heart. Thank you to our beloved students to make the event a successful one. When it rains, look for rainbows. When it's dark, look for stars. Wish you all a very happy and healthy 2021. Stay safe. Thank you all.